Hello and welcome to this new lesson in which we are going to prepare Arduino IDE to program the ESP32 board. Now, the first step is going to the Arduino software that we already installed. Now, we need to install a few libraries. First, you need to go to the Tools, and as you can see, here we have the Manage Libraries option. Click on it. Now, it will update the libraries, and what you need to do is to look for a library called Arduino JSON. Now, once you see this library, as you can see by Benoit, click on it and click install. Now, this is a simple and efficient JSON library for embedded C++. It will help us using JSON functions in our program. Now, the second library that we need to install is called the Telegram bot library. So if you click here, like bot or Telegram bot library, click enter and wait. Now, as you can see, we have a lot of options. So you need to make sure that you are installing the right library. Now, look for the word universal in the results. As you can see, if you scroll, you can see here we have universal Telegram bot. And to make sure that it is the right library, make sure that it was created by Brian Lab, and you can click on more info. You will see a GitHub page. This GitHub page, make sure that you have the universal Arduino Telegram bot here and there, and this is the name of the programmer, the lead programmer. Now this is the library, and we will talk about it in more details in the coding lesson, but make sure that you have this version here in the releases 1.3.0. Make sure to always install the latest version. Now 1.3.0, go back here. If you saw 1.3.0, then this is the right library. If not, you need to install it from GitHub and manually install it here on your Arduino. Now click install. It will install the library. As you can see, installed. Now, to make sure that your Arduino IDE will be able to program ESP32 boards, you need to go to the File, Preferences, and in here, in the Additional Boards Manager URL, you need to make sure that you have the JSON link for ESP32, this link. Now, to make sure that you can see it, we will post it with the lesson description. But this is the link, as you can see, dl.esp32.com, dl package ESP32 index JSON. And once you have it, paste it here. Now, if you have more than one, you need to add comma between them, then click OK. The next step is going to Tools, and from Tools, go to Boards Manager. Now, this is to enable ESP32. Now, once you are inside the Boards Manager, you need to go and write ESP32, and you will find it here. Simply click Install. Now, I will click Update, since there is an updated version, but you can simply click Install, and it will install ESP32 libraries on your Arduino IDE. Now, once done, you need to close this window, and the next step is simple. Go to the Tools, and from there, go to the Board, and make sure that you have the ESP boards here listed. As you can see, this one is ESP8266, and as you can see, we have a wide range of boards. Here we have ESP32, and most likely the one that we will use will be the DoIT ESP32 Dev Kit version 1. I mean this one. DoIT ESP32 Dev Kit version 1. Now, as we mentioned earlier, we saw you a quick walkthrough for the board. That's it. If you have installed the Arduino JSON, and if you have installed the universal Telegram bot, and if you have installed the ESP32 libraries and boards, you are ready for the next step, which is the coding phase. Thanks for watching this lesson. If you have any questions about any of these steps, or if you fail to apply any of them, please send me a message. I'll be more than happy to help. Thanks for watching. This is Ashraf from Educational Engineering Team.